You can see this one is very strong. You can't grab it down. And try to use a hammer, or if you do have a rubber hammer, that would be better. We prefer using this one if you do this one, because there have some the surface. If you try to using the normal hammer, just to try to hit the inside somewhere like this. Do not on the surface. We don't try to not make some damage on it. Yeah. And we can have a try. Yeah, just so like this. Maybe I can put the camera like here. Yes, you can see. Grab the up a little bit. Slightly gently hit it. You can see it going down. Yeah, just like that. And if you have a rubber hammer, that'll be more easier. You can hit harder a little bit. And I can show. I also have another one. I can show you how to. You can see this one is go down and go in too much, and feel like this. Yeah, also same thing. Yeah, slightly gently, not each of the side. You can see it is falling down. Yeah, very easy, simple.